Alright guys, well it's a bit breezy out here. It's actually kind of warm. Like, in the mid-60s today. It's December 29th, 2024, which means it's my birthday. So, I don't know what's gonna happen. Oftentimes when it's this warm, it gets kind of breezy. You look here. Looks like there's some cirrus clouds. I think that means that warm air is coming. See, the trees are swaying. I'm using my Panasonic HDC-DX1 right now. Yeah, it's kind of breezy out here. So yeah, a bit windy this afternoon. But tonight we might be in store for some rain or even thunderstorms. However, I'm kind of pissed because I think the probability of thunderstorms is pretty low. We have a general thunderstorm risk on the Storm Prediction Center, a 10% risk of thunderstorms, which is not really enough for, like, I mean, there can still be lightning, but it usually won't happen. But as you can see, all the snow has melted away. These trees are blowing around a bit. Of those branches up there. So yeah, according to the Storm Prediction Center, there's a general thunderstorm risk tonight. There's a 10% thunderstorm risk, I think from 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. as well as 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm hoping that we get something good. Yeah, like I said, I don't think we will get lightning. I mean, I'm sure it's gonna rain, maybe not even that heavy. But you know, it could be raining for hours, and there may be occasional heavy rain leading to thunderstorms. So yeah, today I'm getting a pack of 3 DVD-RWs. Right now I'm 3 double-sided DVD-RWs for this camera. Right now I'm just using a single-sided Sony DVD-RW, which unfortunately my other camera, my DVD-101, gave me an access error on it. I took a look and there's a bit of tiny scratches on it. Very light ones though. But I'm sure they can be fixed. So yeah, it feels pretty humid out here, for sure. Is the pressure falling? I don't know. Yeah, oftentimes before a nighttime storm, you'll see, like, at this time of year it'll get warm, and you'll see, like, it'll be windy a lot during the day. You'll see, like, cirrus clouds and some low clouds here. That's what you'll usually see before a storm. And plus the humidity is pretty high. You'll also see that before a storm. And once the pressure starts falling rapidly, then that means you may be about to be hit by a storm. So So, I think I'm just gonna record on the rest of the disc, because I do have other things to talk about. I'm gonna go out this way. You can still see like it's windy out here. So yeah, according to an AccuWeather forecast, we are in for rain and a thunderstorm tonight, with about pretty much 100% chance of rain. You know, I'm not gonna go out here because it's still wet. I don't want to get mud on my socks. I'm not wearing shoes out here. That's my problem, though. So yeah, it's like, it honestly feels like trust me, I can kind of feel when a storm is on its way. And the exposure is getting messed up. Yeah, I'm kind of experienced in weather with this stuff. I've been doing this for a while now, so I do know when there can be a storm. Look at the trees. Pretty windy. Some low clouds here. So yeah, I mean, I do like this camera, but I'm not going to use this camera to record the storms. I'm charging my Canon battery. I'm going to be using that camera to video the storm. So yeah, I don't know what's going to happen out here. Yeah. Eventually I'm going to run out of time on this disc, but that's actually kind of my goal. I want to use up all the footage and just get some nature shots here. See those clouds? They're moving pretty quickly, and that's often what you see before a storm. Yeah, trust me, I know when a storm is coming, or particularly a nighttime storm. Right now, it's really not looking like a severe storm. You know how on December 11th we had a marginal risk? There was absolutely no lightning here, but there was still a bit of rain and wind. I think that's what it's going to be like tonight. Except this time we don't even have a marginal risk of severe weather. What was actually a severe storm, though, was December 11th, 2021, 3 years ago. I don't think we're going to get that again. It would be nice, especially if there was lightning. This cloud here is kind of blocking the sun. Right, about 2 minutes left on this disc. Yeah. And by the way, areas in western Pennsylvania, like Pittsburgh, also have the same, like, forecast that we do. But they have, like, a marginal risk of severe weather. It's not just western Pennsylvania, it's also, like, Ohio and other states west of Pennsylvania. And down south, there's a slight risk. There's only 2% tornado probability. Wow, look at these clouds. But there's a tornado watch down there. But yeah, we shouldn't get any tornado watches here. Yeah, there's definitely no tornado risk here. I have to say that. And there's like flies out here now. And it's good, the flies can come out here, or any other insects now. Even though it's December, it's a bunch of warm out here. There can be yellow jackets out here if they want to. But, you know, I think they've already died, so we don't have to worry about that. Alright, about 1 minute left on the DVD. Look at those clouds, dude. Beautiful, but ominous. These birds. Wow, it's actually a bit, like, gusty out here. Alright, about just less than 1 minute left on the disc. I'm hitting the flashing sign. Eventually this disc will be all used up. So after we get to about 11 minutes, I'll let you know when the disc is done. Right now there's no point of recording another video when there's literally no time left. So yeah, it is a bit sunny out here, as you can see. But yeah, I'm just gonna show everything left, everything that's going on now. This is really all that's happening. By the way, I do want to say something. These discs cannot be played on a Blu-ray player. I have a Blu-ray player. I tried playing the disc. It would not play. It said disc error. Obviously, you can't play it on a DVD player. So there's this thing called HD DVD player, and I think you need that. Go look it up so that you know what it is. I don't have time to explain it because the recording time is done right